Oh, get you set up. It's a beautiful day today, but unfortunately, an illness has been popping in and out of all my friend groups. And yesterday, got a hold of me. I think the worst of it was this morning. I'm feeling a little better now, but I don't have a fever or anything, so I'm still gonna go hit a lift. Now, it's gonna be scrappy, and it may not be the best lift I ever done, but I'm still gonna go try. But if you're ever contagious or even think you are, chill. There's some older folks go to the gym trying to get healthier, and you don't want to compromise them. Find a way to get some gains at the house. Or rest, you ding dong. But I'm thinking after this little bout here, I always want to go into something new, something a little harder, change up my program. So I believe it's time to initiate a cut. Now, what does that mean? Lowering calories, changing the quality of calories. All right, introducing cardio for me. All right, more defined workout plans. Like we're doing it in the evening, that way I can get my cardio in the morning. But the goal is to what I did from 400 to 300. I'm gonna do it again from 300 to 250. Maybe less, maybe a little more. We're gonna see how it feels right there. But I'm not gonna cut proteins. We're still gonna be getting a crazy amount of protein. Just there's some things in my life I could really pull back on and get a little more strict with, and my life would drastically improve. So I'm gonna use this little sickness as a reset, and after it, we're gonna get into it. Because if I tried today, I might pass out. I don't have it in me today. And I know I'm talking a big game, but I've been recording these workouts for a little bit now. Like I think this is my 9th one on YouTube, but I think this is my 20th video. So I do know that I can keep it up. And I really like it because it gets me more into the fitness space, gets me thinking, makes me want to try these challenges or new things. But I think we're only doing one video today. And I'm going to take the rest of the time to do a little scrappy workout, get my health right, and then we're going to launch into the cut. Now, it makes me tremendously excited because it's a direction. And what makes me want to do this is I'm plateauing and I'm starting to support the plateau. And I feel like at the moment, right now, it is a very breakable plateau because it's not so much my routine, it's just I'm lazy. Just being lazy with some aspects of my life. It's not my dedication. I'm fiercely dedicated. Just I gotta tighten up. And these videos, I can't be recording a long series of workout blogs and remain fat. I'm not gonna let that happen. I can't do that to myself. I wouldn't let that happen to my best friends. And I consider myself a friend. So, we're gonna take today, I'm gonna go do a scrappy chest, And I can tell you immediately afterwards, I'm not going to want to talk to you. So I'm not going to. And tomorrow we'll see where we're at. But even if you are just me watching this again, the cut is coming. We're going to drop down. We're going to drop some pounds. We're going to beef up. Maybe a little composition change. I don't know how that'll work with my size. We'll see. Things to look forward to. Talk about skin. Talking about weight loss. Talking about what I'm eating. Talking about managing addictions. Sugar, TV, phone. Talking about all these things that I could dial back. And it would raise my gains. So we're going to do it. And I'd love it if you joined me. Well, I will see you on the other side of the sniffles. Have a wonderful day. And get hype. The cut's coming. Also, maybe take this as a little note. The grass poking out the ground. A little sun in the sky. Spring's coming. What you gonna do?